live application of the knowledge which they otherwise get in the classroom.
We have almost 200 schools, PUC schools who are participating.
ಇದಾಗೂ ಸಹ ಇಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ವಿಷಯ.
ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತಮ ವೇದಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಸಹ್ಯಾದ್ರಿ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಅವರು ಒದಗಿಸಿರೋದು ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಶ್ಲಾಘನೀಯ.
ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು 9 ಟೀಮು ಈಗ 9 ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ಗೆ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 3 ತಂಡಗಳಿಗೆ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಹ್ಯಾದ್ರಿ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಿಂದ ವಿಶೇಷ ಅನುದಾನ ಕೂಡ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ.
ಜ್ಞಾನದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಇರುವ ಆಸಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಹತ್ತಿರ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅವುಗಳು ಗದ್ದೆಯನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಟ್ರಾಸೋನಿಕ್ ಸೆನ್ಸರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Very important method step in this gel electrophoresis method. So here, as I said that this DNA particles had made its copy on the.
This is an anti-collision car. In curves or when we overtake, we don't know which object is in front of our car. So anti-collision devices uses.
ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಈ ಗೋಮೂತ್ರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ಸರ್. ಈ ಗೋಮೂತ್ರವನ್ನು ಇದು ಗೋಮೂತ್ರನ ಒಂದು ಬಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಧ ಬಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಿಷ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು. ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಧ ಬಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಿಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಕಹಿಬೇವು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಕಹಿಬೇವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಚಂದ ಮಾಡಿ ಗುದ್ದಿ ಹಾಕಿ.
And is trampled by your progress.
We had CET Counseling Center at Sahyadri College of Health has been spanning all the various dimensions of research, industry, startup companies, and how do you live life.
Yes. My fellow panelists, the principal of the college, and dignitaries of the dais, invitees, the president of the college.
Are essential for the students, and how do they take up studies? What do you say?
Opportunity provided to you, right? Why not to have a standing ovation and clap for 1 minute for the Sahyadri management and team.
The guys who are already running the software company or any startup. What I could see today, I think in my opinion, everybody is winner. Everybody have done excellent job. The way the demo you have showed, I think without studying your degree, in +2 if you are able to show this capability, I think you can do many other things.
With your hard work, with the kind of trouble that you may have taken to really build up your projects, whatever may be the time it would have been taking, a month, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, some of you have done it in a few days. So really heartfelt thanks to all of you. We did some round of looking at demos and some of the projects, and apologies for those where we could not really visit you for lack of time.
And I am from Sri Aurobindo PU College, Shimoga. The fact is that many people around us always scare us that if you don't get a good CET rank, then you will not be in a good engineering college. And if you are not in a good engineering college, you cannot be placed in a good companies. Is the degree from a good engineering college counts, or what the knowledge we have, or how the work we do counts, sir? There is a big dilemma between those two.
We have to answer it.
It's a myth, I would say, that a good college produces good students.
And you, whatever prototype you want to build, people will support you. There are enough people to support. Okay, so money is not a problem. There are people to support you, in all aspects. Leave about money. Don't worry for money.
I think that world has moved a lot more. The information that is available not only to you but also to your parents and to your family members and friends is also equivalent for them. Let me just add compliments for the question that you asked, and I think that is a harsh reality that all of us are facing. Yes. And trying to really grapple with. I don't think there is any silver bullet answer.
Thank you to all the panelists on the dais for sharing your valuable thoughts and insights and your encouragement to our young students.
Answer the last question what she asked. How India develop when India develops? Just tell me how India develop. India can't develop as its own. India develop if I, you, we
and the first place backed by Expert Pre-University College, Vadachal, Mangalore. The team is Saima Shakil, Ashika, Sauparnika and Sharana Karyappa.
Respected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, faculty delegates, student delegates, faculty members and student members and press and media persons. On behalf of Sahyadri College of Engineering Management, may I take this opportunity to thank you all and extend a further word of thanks to everyone here this evening as we have come to the end of Sahyadri Science Talent Hunt 2015. First and foremost, I would like to thank the chief guest of this function, Professor K. Bhairappa sir, VC of Mangalore University, who has preferred to attend this program in spite of his other engagements. Thank you, sir.